On the second day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
2 little big mouth bubblers with spigots. How cool is that? Okay, so here's the way this works. This is our very own made-up holiday called STEADFest. And why did we make it STEADFest? Well, because all the other names were taken and they all exclude somebody, and we didn't want to exclude anybody. The holiday is for everyone. However, the contest is only for those in the continental United States. In order to win one of these little big mouth bubblers, all you have to do is go to the description of this video. There's a link to the contest for today and enter. You feel free to enter all the other days if you wanted to as well. We only have 1 day left after today. But you have 5 days to enter from the time of this video. All the winners will be announced on STEADFest Day, which is going to be December 20th. It also happens to be somebody's birthday. She's turning 22 this year. It's a big one. If you happen to live outside the continental United States, I'm really sorry, but please celebrate STEADFest anyway, because it's for everyone.